How many pieces in your closet do you love but have only worn once because you couldn't figure out how to restyle them? Yeah, exactly. Today, we're going to be fixing all of that. Hi, I'm Maria, your go-to muse for modern style, walking through 5 clothing items that do double duty. I'm talking work to weekend transformations that still feel like you, not like you're cosplaying an office girl or just the brunch baddie vibe, okay? And look, there is a free worksheet linked below that will make this super simple to apply to your own closet. Plus, I've linked everything that I'm wearing and dupes, so let's get into it. We're gonna start with a black button down with white trim for Mango. This top has quickly, really, to be honest, become very much a go-to for me. The white trim gives it that fresh graphic energy. It's easy to dress up or dress down. And for work, I teamed it up with a white polka dot skirt from Cider. It's a classic, but definitely still fun. I mean, check out the polka dot skirt, hello. And of course, I'm going to go with my Chanel slingback and an oversized crop jacket from Mango. It gives it a little structure. I grabbed my silky Bottega Andiamo bag, and that adds depth and texture.
For an office styling look that wouldn't actually get you in trouble, this is how you do workwear. Work well done right, workwear done appropriately, and work well done well. It's silhouettes, it's pretty, it's classic. We're joining from 2 different colors, and it just looks great.
Now, flip it. For the weekend, we're going full drama, okay? White pleated Amazon skirt, black tight, YSL heels, a Fendi Peekaboo bag, and Gucci sunglasses. It is a little Parisian, a little powerful, but it's everything that we want, right? The shift formality to fluidity. In the worksheet, that's the tension versus harmony page. We're learning how to balance the vibes, not fight the vibes, okay?
For the weekend look, we have a dressed up comfort. You feel feminine, but you feel functional, right? But you don't have to sacrifice ease for elegance. Link below if you're building out this comfortable. I only share what earns its spot.
Okay, this one is a staple. White linen cropped shirts. This one that I have, it's a breathable shirt, also from Mango. It's breathable, it's structured, and a summer lifesaver. If you sweat through your commute or you have to do a commute, this is perfect. Like I said, again, for summer, but in general, right? I paired it up with the white striped trousers from Gap. The Chanel slingback, we're bringing that back because, again, we're going to use this baby, okay? A black Celine belt with gold details and my trusty Bottega Andiamo, okay? Toss on the YSL Libre. For that scent, you're smelling like a woman who knows her work.
This look says, I know what I'm doing. I'm not afraid to show off myself. I love a monochrome look with just a little bit of detail. And if you're building a work style that feels like you, start with this combo.
Okay, so the weekend switch up, let's go with our mother jeans. This mother jeans that I'm wearing, it's a light wash jeans. The platforms that I'm wearing are Jeffrey Campbell sandals. And I'm going with my Loewe puzzle bag and my Celine sunglasses. Same top, totally different energy.
It's laid back, it's put together. If you ever wanted to step out for coffee or errand and still look expensive, this is your blueprint.
You break down in the worksheet under one piece, 2 vibes. It's gonna click after this. So next up, black trouser pants. Basic? Sure. Okay. But also the most staple in my closet. It is the most stable item in my closet, probably one of the core items in my closet that I recommend to everyone. Now for work style, I added a zebra print wrap. It's wrapped top from Naked, balances the pattern on the top and the solid on the bottom. Chef's kiss, okay? The Chanel slingback, we're bringing them back in, okay? And the silver detail sunglasses from Amazon and my Bottega shoulder bag.
I love patterns, I love textures. In case you couldn't tell by now, I think it's a really easy way to elevate outfits. I mean, even the top I'm wearing today in this video is just a little way to elevate a polo sleeveless top. And I do exactly that with my workwear, adding a little bit of animal print, keeping everything else classic because at the end of the day we are going to work, but just to show a little bit of character, show a little bit of my personality because work does not mean without my personality.
With the weekend style, I cranked up the heat. the asymmetrical swirl top from Miss Pap, the brown sandals from Celine, and the Lulu puffer bag in warm brown. This transformation is cool to warm energy. You'll love the color psychology map in the worksheet for this.
Now for the weekend look, this is your I have plans after look. The pants are doing double time just like you. They come back into play and they really elevate your outfit. We're having a little bit of color play going on in this look. And of course, when you go from moody and colors and textures and patterns, you really can get to see the range that you can really explore in an outfit.
So these blue trouser pants from Mango, silent staple status. Work look, I styled them with the stripe blue shirt from Cider to create this like preppy vibe. My Gucci platform loafers and the Celine belt, the Bottega bag is back. And my Warby Parker golden for glasses. Okay, a little prep, a little cute, a little work professional, but all looking put together, right? Now, my weekend look is a green striped Cider polo, another Cider one, okay? The pointy heels are from Fashion Nova, and the blue bag is from Nordstrom Rack. The glasses again, okay? Because, listen, smart girl summer, okay? The shift here is really just tone to personality. Again, all of this is in the worksheet. Once you go through it, you'll be able to see how you can use one top in 3 tops and 1 pant, and 1 top and 2 pants. Trust me, it'll really stretch your muscle and your styling muscle, which really needs it the most. That's what you're going to work on.
This one is for those who want to feel polished without being predictable. Something different, something a little bit of a pizzazz. Like I said, monochrome with a little detail goes such a long way. A style lesson for you is color echo. The blue in the pants can play a lead or support depending on that energy that you want.
Now, this mesh mock neck from Amazon, or you can even get it on AliExpress. I've seen it there as well. If you're really about that budget life, a budget but beautiful, that's me. Now for work, I went with the blue A-line skirt, this blue triangle heel from Fashion Nova, bringing that back in, and the matching blue bag from Nordstrom Rack. It's a look that whispers fashion editor, okay? Fashion editor, without the paywall, okay? All right.
Volume in the workwear aspect of it creates such a beautiful look for this outfit. Again, play with volumes, play with shape, play with dimensions, play with patterns, textures are ways to really show your personality when you're getting dressed.
For the weekend, I go with the black shorts from Amazon. These are black tailored style shorts, and they really look preppy, but at the same time, they look really cool with some white Hanes socks. Now, I do think it gives a little bit preppy. I could have gone with the Gucci loafers or the Adidas Gazelle, as you saw in the video.
Personality does not go away when we're on the weekend, and that's why the weekend fit just does exactly that. I'm trying to choose between 2 outfits here, but as you can tell, even within the 2, I still create either an elevated style or a casual style, even with that weekend fit. And that's how you can really do that with really versatile pieces that you add to your closet.
I obviously keeping it classic with the Loewe puzzle, but if you go loafers, you're going a little bit more prep. If you go with, with the Adidas, you're going a little bit more sporty. And the black and gold geometric glasses, a pair I go to all the time. I put this in my list of things I'll actually buy because I use it so much. But this one is low energy, but texture play. It's a mood board of sorts, okay? It will, again, the worksheet will work you through how to do this, even with your basics. See, these outfits, they're not just cute, they are strategic. They help you make smart decisions. You save money and stay grounded in, who you are, because at the end of the day, this is about identity. This free worksheet and little workbook, to be honest, it helps you to really transform or apply those transformations to your own wardrobe. It even has a shopping with style integrity checklist, so you don't buy stuff that you will regret later. I also have an impulse tracker for you because, I've gone through all of this and I just really want to help you out, right? Everything that I'm wearing, or similar, because some of them may not be available anymore, they are linked. Trust me, no pressure. I just want to give you some options so that you can go forth with something. We are constantly fed aesthetic goals, algorithms, what's in, but image isn't the goal. Your identity is. So dressing from that place that makes your style personal to you, makes it feel grounded, it makes it feel honest. It's you, right? People can look at your outfit and say, oh, I know that person. Kind of. Not all of you, but kind of, right? So I really hope this gives you less scrolling, less spending, and gives you more you. All right, let me know. Which outfit felt the most you? Which one made you want to try something new? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Grab the workbook. Even if you just skim it, it's going to change how you get dressed literally tomorrow. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe if you're into styling strategies, personal growth, and spending with intention. Because really, this is the start. And until next time, bye friends.